Hello everyone! Welcome to this week's edition of Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Jess, and this week I'm going to show you how to create drop-down menus in Excel. This is useful, for example, if you like to create a column in Excel where you only answer yes or no, or you could create custom options if you know you're going to use them over and over again. That way you don't have to type them in manually every single time. Let's get started. I have Excel open and have labeled columns 1 through 3. I would like to create a drop-down menu in column 3 that gives the options yes, no, and maybe. The first thing I need to do is define a list. I like to create lists in an additional sheet, so I'm going to add a second sheet to this workbook. In the very first column, I'm going to enter yes. I'll type no underneath that, and then maybe at the bottom of the list. Next, I will left-click on yes, and then drag the mouse so that yes, no, maybe is highlighted, and release. I'm going to right-click on the selection, and then choose Define Name from the drop-down menu. I'm going to name my list Yes, and then select OK. Now I will navigate back to Sheet 1. I would like the drop-down menu to appear in the third column, so I'm going to highlight all of the cells in column 3 by clicking on the letter C that appears at the top. Now I'm going to select Data from the top ribbon, and then Data Validation. The Allow setting will need to be set to List. Under Source, I'm going to enter the equal sign, and then Yes, Y-E-S, since yes is the name of our list. From there, I will just select OK. And now, every cell in the third column is a drop-down menu. When I click on the cell, a little arrow appears, and then when I click on the arrow, it shows me the list of options. Yes, no, maybe. That's all I have for this week. Be sure to check back next week for your Tuesday Tech Tip.